Hello, good morning, and welcome to Ropinga YouTube channel. Today, we are going to look at an important AI image design. So let's look at how we go by the AI images. So you type in Beam image creator like this, Beam image creator like this. So it will come this way. You pick the first link. You pick the first link and click on it, Beam image creator, and you pick the first link, this one, and wait. So those of you who are new, who are now using this link or this image creator, this one, Beam image creator, you need to sign in with your email address. You need to sign in with your email address. You need to sign in with your email address. I've already signed in. That is why it has come this way. Either you use Beam image creator or Microsoft Beam. So you pick the first link and you get these images. So by you getting amazing images like my own, like this one, YouTube uh, channel logo with these images that you are seeing on top here, you have to write a prompt. The prompt will help you to get the desired image that you are looking for. So if you want the free images too, these are just the free images. So let's see my first prompt. Write your prompt here. Let's see my first prompt. You write your prompt there and wait for what they will generate for you. So this is how I'm going to put my prompt. Uh, this is my prompt. This is my prompt. So I'm going to create my images. Click on create. Click on create. Click on create like this and wait. Click on create and wait. It is generating the images for you. You look down there, it is generating the images for you, and you wait for a few minutes it to generate the images for you. This is such an amazing AI image generator, such a wonderful this one. This is how the images are created. So let's read my prompt. This is how my prompt go. Generate a 3D illustration of an animated character sitting on top of social media logo, such as YouTube. The character should wear a casual Ayuba outfit with colors inspired by Ayuba flag. The drop, the backdrop should depict Ayuba Ghana culture images, emphasizing a sense of community and celebration. The social media page titled Ropinga VFX should feature a profile picture with a pixel art rendering of a Ghana flag. Ensure the image exudes a blend of what YouTube logo. So this is the prompt. You sit down and write your own prompt that you want, and these are the images that we'll see. So these are the images you will see. These are the images. Amazing Ghana culture, amazing. So if you want to download, you look at this three dot. Look at them, this three dot. You click on it like this and click on download. It is downloading the file. That's amazing. So you move to the next one. This one is not what you want, so you leave it. So this one, if this one is your favorite, you pick it. This one too, if it is your favorite, you download it. That's great. So let's look at the next. Let's go back and look at the next prompt. We are going to do different prompt. So we are going to put a new prompt. This is how our new prompt will go. You put this new prompt like this. So let's read our new prompt. This is our new prompt that I have put. Generate a 3D illustration of an illuminated character sitting casual on top of social media logo, YouTube. If you think that you don't want to use YouTube, you can use TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, a logo, YouTube. The character must wear a modern casual such as jeans, jacket, jacket, and knicks, airways, collar, white collar, sneakers shoe. The background image is a social media page profile with a username Ropinga VFX and a profile picture that match Ghana. Let's generate. I click on generate. We are waiting for our images. So it is doing. So let's wait for our images. Let's wait for our images. This is the prompt. Amazing. These are the images that has come. So these are the prompt images. It is powered by Daily E3. So let's look at the images. Amazing. This is Ropinga. You download them like this. You click on the three dot and download. Wow, wow. Now, so you click on the three dot here and download. This is amazing. It have downloaded the file. You move to your whatever that you think that you don't like, you leave it and move to the next one. These are amazing images that we are seeing. So let me add this one and see what will be the prompt, how the prompt is going to be. Let me add this one and see how the prompt is going to be. So let me add something here. Ropinga. Let me change page, profile page. Okay, a username Ropinga with 1.6 million subscribers. So you quote it like this. So let's generate and see. Let's generate. Let me add my Ghana. It's Nasri Ghana. So generate. Let's wait for the image to generate. The images are generating. So you see the previous images that I've generated. I generated all these things today. So let's wait for the images to generate. So the prompt now, you look at this side, you see that I have 3, but initially I'm having about 12 every day. The Microsoft Bing will give you 12. So any prompt that you do, it will reduce to 1. Any prompt that you do, they'll give you 4 images and it will reduce to 1. So this is amazing one I've done. Wow. So have you seen that the images are amazing? Amazing AI images. Thank you, Microsoft Bing. Thank you, Microsoft Bing. Thank you, Microsoft Bing, for giving us this amazing uh, images. So every time that you write a prompt, they always give you what? A four images, and you pick the one that you like. So now let's look at different social media. Let's pick TikTok, 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 and create. Now we have add TikTok. Now click on create. So we are waiting for our image to add. We are waiting for our image to be generated. So the prompt is depends on you. You can always change it. You can change the social media name to any time that you want. You see that it has come. Amazing images. Let's look at them. You click on the images and you move. I've seen what I need to do. I didn't change the subscribers to followers. I've seen amazing images. Amazing images. Amazing images. Wow. So you can also try your hands on such amazing images created by AI. So if you use all your prompt today, I'm going to change it to, I'm having only two chance now. You see the 2. I have to, if I finish the 2, I have to wait for another day so that they will give me another Instagram. They will give me another another coins or another number of prompts that I can use. Followers. followers so let's followers so let's create another images about Instagram. So it is uploading. Let's wait for the AI to generate our images for us. After this one, we'll move to how to generate on Facebook. Yes, it is enjoyable. AI has made life easy. So see these amazing images that AI has produced. Ropinga fix. So these are my images. So you click on this 3 dot to generate your images. Click on this 3 dot to generate to download. So this is the second image too. You click on the 3 dot to uh, 3 dot to download your images. If you don't like it, you can decide to leave it there. It's not matter if you don't like it, you download it. Amazing. So our last prompt that we'll do before I'll end this video. So if the video is interested and you are enjoying it, please just give us a subscribe, like, and comment so that we'll know our challenges. Next time we'll address it. So let's check on the followers. Followers on Facebook. So I'm going to generate it. You click on create. You click on create. You click on create. You click on create and wait for the AI to generate the prompt for you. You click on create and wait for AI to generate the prompt for you. See this amazing Facebook profile images that the AI has given to us. So you download them. That is, you download them. Amazing. You download them. Amazing. You download them. Amazing. Thank you for watching our YouTube videos. Always give us a like, subscribe, comment so that we know our progress. Whatever that you think it is not going on well in our channel, we will address it by help me by me getting to monetization. Thank you for watching.